Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya, and I run ShootingStarSVG, a channel curated so that way you can grow your business and change your life. This channel is centered around digital downloads and how you can grow your semi-passive income on Etsy, your website, and other platforms on the web. The channel includes so much information on how you can increase your branding, your social media marketing, your search engine optimization, trending products, design tutorials, and so much more. So if this sounds like something that you'd be open to learning more about, go ahead and click on subscribe and the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you're looking for a community of people who are trying to grow their business and are just starting out or may have been in the game for a while, head on over to the Facebook group where we're creating a community of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow their business. And just to let you guys know a little bit about me, I am a single mom of 3 very small children, aged 5, 4, and 2. I also work a full-time job as a fire protection engineer at a nuke plant. I run this business and I run this YouTube channel. So as you can imagine, I'm pretty busy. But I do find time for this, and the income has been amazing, and I find so much joy in helping you guys out. I'm really here to help you. I am always providing information as much as I can and as quickly as I hear it. And I really love to see people grow on their journeys. So I am here for you, and I am so excited to see where you go with this and with the information that I'm providing you. So again, if you haven't already, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that keeps me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, bing, so that way you're notified when I create new content. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or hop on over to the Facebook group and ask there. I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and I wish you all great success. Talk soon.